Igbo bụ Igbo mma mma no. Ya bịakwara ọzọ taa. In order to communicate to both Igbo and non-Igbo, I would want to use English language. This is an improvised or manual way of making palm oil. That's red oil. As you can see, having prepared to remove the palm fruits from the shells, making the fire to get it ready. I want you to see the process of producing palm oil in Igbo land, most especially from Imo State. This is our way of producing palm oil. I'm making my fire now, trying to boil the palm fruits. Putting the palm fruit inside a pot, and I'm try to make sure I mix them together, and then after which the next thing is to add water. Remember, I have set my fire already. Now adding water to my palm fruit, and my mmiri na akwụ nchọrọ iji mee mmanụ. I'm trying to add water to it. After adding water to it, then I'll take you to the next step. The next step should be allowing the palm fruit to boil well, at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Adding enough water to ensure making my fire getting ready. I think more 20 minutes or 15 minutes boiling. As you can see now, it's getting ready. After which, you remove the palm fruit and pound them. And as you can see the way I'm pounding the palm fruits. You can see it now. Oh yes, abụ m onye Igbo amaka. If you don't have money for machine, you can use this method, improvised method, manual method, and get your oil. At the end of the day, you will see how much oil I derived from this. You can see adding more palm fruits. Crushing them together with the pistol. Now suya. That's the way we do it. Originally from Imo State. Adding little red mold. I know this won't be funny. Some people will be wondering. Yep. You add little red mold. It helps not just to bring out the color, nope, but to ensure during the time of selection of palm fruits and the chaff that it doesn't become so slippery. Separating the chaff and be avovo and a rope avovo na rope aki iche. From avovo, but you must separate it before you can get the oil. Keep watching. Keep watching. Very simple. If you can follow this guide, this step, You can make your oil from your house there, from your home. You don't need to take it to anybody to help you. You can do it yourself. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Separating the shaft. Now washing the very palm kernel. We're trying to wash it off. You will see what we will extract from there. We are trying to extract the little oils being washed out from the palm kernel. That those oil there, mmanụ a ga-enyekwa aka iji wee mepụta mmanụ. Take a look at this. Mmanụ a si n'enu ka anyị na-ewepụta. A na-asa akị, a na-ewepụta mmanụ si n'enu. Abụ m ezigbo onye Igbo. Ọ bụ na emesịa mmanụ a si n'enu, awụnye ya n'ite, sita ya n'ọkụ. Those oil, you can boil them. Ensure you boil it so that there won't be water floating on your oil. Then, as soon as it's done, you can take that avovo, that is those shaft you removed from the palm kernel, where lies the main oil. Add it to that very oil. After that one is done, look at the next step. Just to melt it a little bit, you can put it on the fire again, heat it a little bit, put them in the sack. Badge. Since you don't have compressor, you can form it yourself with a wood tied in a bag, then drag it. While you squeeze it, the oil will be coming out. You keep squeezing. Squeeze here. Squeeze here. Now pack here. That's the shaft. You are the shaft inside the bag. As you are squeezing the shaft, you are bringing out the main oil. As you are squeezing, you are bringing out the main oil. You keep squeezing with the whole of your strength. I can see how fresh the oil is. Very fresh. You don't add water to it. This is natural oil. No color, no mix up. You keep squeezing. Look at the amount of oil. Look at it. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, mmanụ ka a na-akpọ ya. Mmanụ ndị Igbo. Mmanụ nke eze mepụtara. Ya na ụmụ akwụkwọ ya. I had to do this with my students, as you can see. The oil is done. Look at the oil here. Look at how fresh the oil. We want to test it with the yam. We have to roast our yam. Maka na arụ ọnụ erie na ndụ. Ndị Igbo si n'aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. Ị na-anyị ga-afụ ji anyị rụrụ n'ọkụ. Ya ka anyị na-achọ ka anyị test ya. Makwa na mmanụ anyị ọ dị ka mmanụ si adị. Ngwa n'anya ka ịfụ. N'ezie eji m aka na mmanụ anyị dị ka mmanụ si adị. Mmanụ nke eze ị na-asọ. Ebe ọtọ ya ụmụ akwụkwọ bịanụ ka unu rie ji.